guess what I have here with me? You asked me what this box was.
Oh, that wasn't even the box I was talking about, but I'm so excited.
This is Sarah's handcrafted, painstakingly crafted retail packaging for the screwdriver.
Oh, wow.
You will be the first to unbox it, Luke.
So cool.
You want to?
Okay.
You can read the thing on the back.
On the back, it says this is the screwdriver we're always.
He can read.
We've.
Is there a typo?
No, we've. I dyslexia the heck out of it.
Oh.
It's on me.
Jeez. Okay. I don't know how many of these we've printed yet.
This is the screwdriver we've always wanted, with MegaPro's retractable bit cartridge and our own shape, feel, and finish. It's the best of what we saw in the existing screwdriver space. We spared no expense in trying to make the perfect multi-bit screwdriver for everyone, whether you're a PC enthusiast, a handy person, or just someone who appreciates quality products that last for years. We are confident that this will be your go-to driver for years to come. Thank you so much for supporting this new project with us. We hope you love it as much as we do. And then Linus Sebastian in text and Linus Sebastian in signing. And it also shows the bits that it comes with. Although you can buy the bit driver packs if you want more, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Cool.
So you're going to open it?
Yeah.
You're going to open it?
On the front, it also shows the bits
in spot gloss. Sarah's a big fan of spot gloss. So it's
that's like the, I don't know if they can really see it.
Yeah, it's hard to catch. You have to kind of catch it in the light.
Yeah, I'm trying, but I can't tell. But yeah, you can see like an outline of the screwdriver and stuff.
We really have spared no expense, trust me.
Ooh, this is actually pretty cool. I like this. I always like orange insides, because you can see things. There's another what looks like spot gloss diagram of the internals of the screwdriver this time, and with the bit load again.
Would you like to hear the notification sign-up numbers? That's not final. That's not final. Ignore that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That ratchet's not final. There's still some stuff to be done there. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, guys. I'm not going to tell you stuff's done if it's not. It's not quite done. Would you like to hear the latest numbers for sign-ups, though?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I should be terrified in a good or bad way.
It's at the point now where both of them are looking like they could be a bit of a problem in terms of fulfillment at the beginning. The screwdriver has a total of just shy of 60,000 notification signups for when it comes in stock. So given that we were hoping to press go when we had 30,000 in stock, thinking that would last until our next shipment would hit us, we're actually considering delaying general availability. It may be that on the first shipment, the only way to get one will be to be signed up for the notification list, because a lot of these people won't go through right away.
Yeah, but I suspect more than 50% will.
It'll be a lot of them.
Yeah.
So you are going to want to get signed up if you want to get one. And for the backpack, we are at 33,000 signups. Our first shipment of backpacks is 10,000. Basically, if you have not yet signed up for a notification, you are not getting one in the first shipment.
Wave. Yeah.
And if you don't sign up for a notification now, you will not get one in the second wave. You will be waiting a while.
Neither of these are like exclusive productions and stuff. So if you don't get it, it's okay. You can get it later.
We will make more.
Yeah.
But the longer the wait lists get, the longer it will take, because, I mean, honestly, this is something we've talked about a fair bit on the WAN show, and I've talked about a lot internally lately. We are very cash flow limited right now. For the first time, I think, since probably the first couple of years, our growth is limited by how much cash we can deploy at the moment. It's all out there.
Pre-order thing?
I got to be honest with you. We had a serious conversation internally about opening up pre-orders. One of the ideas that we had was opening up pre-orders to Floatplane subscribers only. This has two benefits for us as a business. Number one is if there's people that are really eager to get their hands on the screwdriver or backpack and they want to be absolutely first, it incentivizes them to sign up for Floatplane, which helps us at a time that we're cash limited right now. And number two is that it means that the people who are pre-ordering are the ones that are more likely to understand if there's a delay or a miscommunication or something that any small stumble in the lead up to actually shipping these products. Floatplane is unanimously like, pre-order now, take my money. Yeah, well, I know that's what you guys would say, which is why we considered opening them up to you guys. But the problem is that actually it was Yvonne who was like, you can't do that. even though she's the money person here, right? She was like, dude, you said you're not going to do it. At this point, it's not about money. It's about, is your word worth anything or not?
Yeah, we tried to do some stuff knowing that, where like we decided that we would technically get like one of the plans was, okay, if they are a Flowplane subscriber and they buy the screwdriver at normal cost, they get like free Flowplane months, like one or two free Flowplane months.
It was going to be somewhere between 1 and 2 because the system was going to be way easier to build if we just didn't care when someone's billing cycle was.
Yeah.
We promised a month. And then it could be up to almost 2, but like it'll just be whatever's left of this billing cycle plus the next one.
So we were trying to make it like less, I guess, predatory that way, because we were worried about people being like, oh, you guys condemned the Best Buy thing. And we were going to be like, well, yeah, but this one, like, I don't know. It's not the same for like a bunch of reasons and stuff. But ultimately, yeah, I think Yvonne was right.
She's right. She's right. We can't compromise the principles, because if we compromise on our don't pre-order principles, then it means that we are compromising. You know, people might think, okay, maybe they compromised on the quality of the product then, right? So nope. Now, to be clear, I'm not saying that we will never open up pre-orders of any form ever. I think that what Valve did with the Steam Deck is really smart, where they had people pay a small amount of money to reserve, because you want to know how many to make, and it's really challenging. If it's as simple as just signing up for an email, I don't know what your commit level is, right? So that 60,000 or that 35,000, that could mean anywhere from 1 to 60,000 people are going to buy them. There could be a ton of people who didn't sign up. Think like we can't actually build projections based on this stuff. So I think that exploring something like that in the future might be okay. I think that if we were to do a product that's more iterative, I would be potentially comfortable pre-selling it. Like maybe we do a different colorway of the backpack, for example. Like we want to do a limited edition colorway, and it's like, guys, look, it's the same backpack that you know and love.
That almost sounds like a print to order situation.
But in blue, yeah. Pre-order it. We'll do a run at the factory. Here we go.
Yeah.
You know, right? Like that. I think there's situations where it might be okay. I think that once we're farther down a path where we've got this consistency in our delivery, and maybe when the world's and logistics are not such that it could be anywhere between a month to 4 months from now. I don't know, right? If we have some idea when things will actually arrive, I think the situation could change. But as it stands right now, I'm not comfortable enough to take the money. So things are going to be really tight for us, probably for about the next 4 to 6 months. After that, our hope is that these products are going to be crazy hyper successful, and we're going to be sort of laughing about, we're going to be laughing about Q2 2022. Remember that.
Thanks for watching and subscribing to this week's clips. Now, you might know me as the WAN Show producer, but did you know that I'm also a lover of popcorn? That's why I want to give a special shout out to Sizzle for sponsoring this week's clips. Take a snack break, relax, watch some more clips, and get 10% off your first order of one of Sizzle's 6 delicious flavors using the link down in the video description. Delicious.